In a poor, run-down neighborhood, a brown cat and his pregnant wife struggled to survive. Their clothes were torn and ragged, and their faces showed the weight of their difficult lives. One day, hope sparked when the husband found a job ad in the newspaper. Excited, he and his wife went to a construction site. Though the work was hard, and his wife, already tired from pregnancy, struggled, they pushed through, determined to earn a living. At the end of the day, the couple was paid for their work. Relieved and happy, they began their walk home, but heavy rain soaked them to the bone. Wet and tired, they approached a food stall, but when they tried to pay with their wet money, the shopkeeper refused. Defeated, they sat in the rain, huddled together in tears. Just then, their construction manager saw them and, moved by their situation, gave them fresh money. Overjoyed, they returned to the food stall and finally bought a meal. Despite everything, they smiled, knowing they had each other to get through their struggles.